the old idea of the solar system can apply. The geocentric. That means the Earth is the center of the universe. The first planet around the Earth is Mercury. Second is Venus. The third object around the Earth is the Sun. Sun orbiting the Earth. So no way you can have this picture if the Sun orbit the Earth. So it's only if the planets orbit the Sun, the heliocentric model, then only you can see this. So this is the proof of the heliocentric model. All right, proposed by our Copernicus. This is very nice. This is another grand planting element. Mikhail Minkov. This guy takes astronomy pictures without telescope. He put a camera on a dish in the Black Sea. This is in Bulgaria, right? Black Sea. And he took a picture, the setting sun. You have here, you have the moon here. No, the sun. This is the moon, all right? You have Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, and here you have right perpendicular to it, the Milky Way. So nice. He should have taken a time lapse. So this is very nice, no? This guy. And of course, to make himself better, he put himself here, a light, a bright torchlight. All right. So this is a landscape picture, all right, taken in Bulgaria. This is our what? 3-planet alignment with the moon. So this is something like a quadruple conjunction. First object, moon, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter. If you include Milky Way, better. This is our quintuple conjunction. 5 objects, 4 small objects, and the huge object. So you have Milky Way here, 200 billion stars. And you can see clearly in this picture, even the dust lane also can be seen. Right? So there's one place in Malaysia that I could see clearly the dust lane with my naked eye is Langkawi, Pulau Singa Besar. Not only that, I can see also the big thick dust lane and also the perpendicular dust lane poking out from the big dust lane, the perpendicular dust lane poking out with my naked eye. Can see in Langkawi. It shows that the sky in Langkawi is so dark, right? So unfortunately, there's so much dust in the Milky Way, so dirty. The space between the stars in the Milky Way full of dust and dust absorbing material, so that a lot of dust, a lot of stars buried in the dust cannot be seen through. They say that if our Milky Way intergalactic space is very clean, not much dust, then every night we can see a full moon shining through the band of the light of the Milky Way, full moon. If there's no dust in the Milky Way, right? Okay, so this is of course this is a mosaic by our NASA, right? Over the many years of its the spacecraft that travel around the solar system a lot. So you see a lot of, I don't want to explain, you can see a lot of what catches my eye is here, the Earth. Then from the space, you look down on the Earth, you can see the rivers, right? This is very interesting. So this is a kind of mosaic. So what do you do? So what you do is you can go to the website, there you download, you can print. And this is a high quality picture, you can print many megabyte, hundreds of megabyte, you can print it, and very nice, right? So this is it. So this is our solar system object, planets, moons or the planets, asteroids, all this asteroid, and just one thing outside the solar system, which is this one, right? So this is a kind of supernova that exploded outside the solar system. What supernova, they didn't say, right? And I think maybe this may not be true also, because they have not taken a picture of Pluto so close up. All right, I doubt they have taken a picture of Pluto so close up. Okay, never mind. So this is not true. This is artist impression, and this is true. This one is Cassini dropped the Huygens space probe. Remember, parachuted through the thick atmosphere, and before landing, took some picture and sniffed the air, chemical composition. So the air is made up of a lot of coal, methane. And what is this? Methane lakes, liquid methane. And what is this? It's not rocks, solid methane, ice, methane ice. So there are a lot of data on Titan. But of course, you may say, because so much organic material on Titan and in the atmosphere, there should be life on Titan. Very unlikely, because at such a cold temperature, because Titan is orbiting around Saturn, such a cold temperature, freezing liquid methane and solid methane, very unlikely life can be born and can survive there. Very cool. All right. This is great. This we're going to show a video. All right. So this is NGC 2014-2020. So basically, NASA took a picture. This is, let me see. This is taken by Hubble Space Telescope. It's not only that, So when he took this picture, they must have exposed this region of space, this nebula, all right, NGC 2014 and 2020, many layers, different wavelength, so that they can see, penetrate through the cloud and see further inside another layer of stars, further inside another layer of stars, and play a video, all right? So we know this is New General Catalog 2014. Now, New General Catalog, don't be fooled. Oh, new, must be very new. Last year came out. No, 1888. It came out by one American astronomer who classified a lot of objects, not a Messier object and a new set of objects. He called it his own catalog. He called it the New General Catalog, 1888, right? More than 100 years ago, right? So let's play the video. So Hubble was able to take the many stars through the cloud and make a video. And at the end of it, you see the hourglass, beautiful hourglass. Chin-Chong can see the video, huh?
Can.
Yeah. So now you see, this is the hourglass. So all are real, huh? Nothing is false. All are real. Everything is real. Can you hear the sound, huh? So all these are the young stars. The young stars. This whole thing is NGC 2014. And this is our hourglass. NGC 2020. Now, Hubble have taken a lot of hourglass nebula, and astrophysicists are able to explain how they form, right? So, for example, you look at this video again. I go back to the video again. Sorry. You look at this video. I am very sure. I may not be wrong if I can say that maybe one of the PhD students in Japan got all the data of this video and took 5 years and got a PhD on this to do research on this object. All right, two object NGC 2014, 2020. A lot of information here. All right, so all this is what these are the bulk globules. If you wait long enough, stars will be born. You say, how come such a small cloud? This is very big. I don't know. This could be 1/8 of a light year. And 1/8 of a light year is millions and millions of times bigger than the solar system. So maybe a star can be born here. Right? This one is nothing to do with astronomy, but interesting. It's due to atmospheric phenomena. So this is a water spout in Florida, taken by one landscape photographer. Water spout, all right. And this water spout, you see, it's quite a big one. And I think water spout got two types. One is called the weather water spout, which is the one we see in Malaysia. For example, in Penang Bridge, and in this near Batu Tinggi, you can see the water spout. So those water spout are called the weather water spout. Not so violent. And the weather water spout will move slowly. But some of the water spout are called the tornado water spout. It's actually tornado, but not on land, but on the sea. This one they never say whether it's a tornado or whether water spout. So this water spout is also interesting. This is interesting. Many Malaysians have taken this picture. This is in, okay, the dark river of Antares. All right, Antares, we know, is in Scorpio. So here is our red supergiant Antares, and this is a globular cluster, and the dark river is this one. There you are. The dark river is one. All the dust, absorbing materials in the interstellar space, right? And this absorbing material are blown out by the old stars that die, and it throw out a lot of dust, and the dust will absorb the light. So every single point of light here is a star. So this is where, and we know that Antares is near the Milky Way center, near Sagittarius. So there should be millions and millions of stars here. And you see here, very nice.